Let me show you what you can do with the Spotify app. So make sure that your app is updated. I've been playing around with this, but we're going to try and edit the cover art of our playlist and make it stand out a bit more. So as you can see here, there's a new option, create cover art. Go into here. First and foremost, I am going to change the cover image, which I have just grabbed from Google. Now that is changed, we can go in here, create cover art and personalize it a bit more. So let's go back to media picker. Here we go. We can adjust the angle. We can make it a circle, a heart, so on and so on. We can also change the effects on it and you can play around with that. Then you can also add text. So this is car playlist, I guess. Car tunes. Okay, again, you can play around with the effects, the color of the text, the style of it, so you can adjust that. So as you can see, there's different things that you can do. And then background wise, you can add up to 4 colors and you can give it different gradients. If I hit the shuffle button, it sort of plays through different looks. And then the last thing, obviously this isn't a work of art, but I'm just showing you what you can do with it. Then stickers, not a massive choice of stickers at the minute, but as you can see, you can play around again with that. And that's basically it.